Oh, hi there. Welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. My name is Jen, and today we are going to make something that I'm going to use my air fryer. I've never used air fryer before, so this is very precious to me. My daughter gave this to me for my birthday, so we are going to test and see how it works. I've heard so many good things about air fryer. So today I have some rockfish fillets, and I'm going to season it with my favorite seasonings: smoked paprika, a little bit of ground coriander, garlic powder, sea salt, and some red chili pepper flakes. So it's gonna be amazing. So let's see how this baby works today, and hopefully, we get a good result. I'm pretty sure we will. So let's go ahead and start. For those of you who've never used air fryer before, like I do, so we're gonna go ahead and try how really amazing this thing is. So first we are going to season the fish, and then we're gonna go ahead and place it in the air fryer, and then probably just preheat it like 375, and then just let it cook for about 15 minutes. So we'll see. All right. Drizzle some oil and make sure that you rub the oil onto the fish fillets. And then we're going to mix all our seasonings: smoked paprika, garlic powder, sea salt, coriander, and a little bit of red chili pepper flakes. Now we're going to mix everything. We're also adding a tablespoon of fresh lime juice. And now sprinkle the seasonings, and again rub all the seasonings on the fillets. And now we're ready to place them in the air fryer. Make sure that you put them in single layer for even frying. And fry them for about 15-20 minutes. Meantime, let's make our mango salsa. It's 1 mango. Now for the mango, I like them ripe but not overly ripe. We're going to peel the mango, and then we're going to slice it, and then we're going to again cut it into smaller dice. And make sure you get all that mango flesh around the pit. And now we're going to dice 3 tomatoes, de-seed, and then cut them into smaller dice. And then use half red onion and chop it. And I also use a handful of cilantro, about a cup of chopped cilantro. And then we're going to combine everything. We're going to squeeze some lime juice, and also I season them with salt and pepper and 1 garlic clove. And then toss everything together until they're well mixed. And now our fish fillets are ready, and I use mixed greens. It's a spring mixed greens, and then I place the fillet on the bed of the mixed greens, and then I'm gonna top it with that mango salsa. Okay, my lovelies, my air fryer did not fail me. It is amazing. It's wonderful. The fish fillet came out moist and tender, and I love the rockfish fillet. It's similar to orange roughy, and it has that really nice ocean kind of flavor, and also with all that seasoning that we mix, it's perfect. And then plus the mango salsa, it really complements the flavor and all that seasoning onto the fish. So my lovelies, if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. And if you need more recipes, just head on to my website, and that's leanbellaskitchen.com. Until then, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.